Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Skyscanner. So let me take you to the website, which is skyscanner.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Skyscanner is a global travel search engine that helps users compare and book flights, hotels, and car rentals. It aggregates prices from airlines, online travel agencies, and booking platforms to provide the best deals out there. Founded in 2003, Skyscanner is widely used for its fare comparison tools, flexible search options, and price alerts, making it a go-to platform for budget-conscious travelers. So what you're waiting for? If you're a traveler like me, you can come to the website, explore about them, and start using them. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Skyscanner. Is it possible? Why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Skyscanner, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you'll end up getting commission as usual. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the affiliate program page of Skyscanner. You'll find the link in the video description. Once here, you can scroll down to see more details. They provide competitive commission, dedicated support, first class inventory, and you can get widget, banners, text link, and they scroll down. You can see how it works. You apply it for the affiliate program, you get the content that you could promote, and you could start earning commission based on the sales you bring to them. And then there are some FAQs. What's the acceptance criteria for the program? So you can click here and you can say, so this will give you an idea what you can do to get the approval from them. You should be having a website, a blog that is complete with links which are working. There shouldn't be any link which are not working, so you have to ensure that the website should be HTTPS status. How do you know? So this is the website. Now if I click here, you can see HTTPS. So HTTPS websites are basically secure, and show your website has to be secure. The website's traffic volume should be higher than 5,000 unique visitors per month. That is the requirement. The website should have up-to-date travel content, should have good user experience, and does not book tickets on behalf of their customers. Now, let's say you don't have a website and you are an influencer. Maybe you have a social media account. That's all right. But what they require for the social media profiles to have more than 1,000 followers, and the content should be travel related. And they also do not work with coupon, discount, network, sub-network, market performance agencies, and technology partners for their affiliate program. Something to keep in mind. Then you can read other questions as well. Who can join the affiliate program? So it doesn't matter. You could have a travel website, a blog, forum, content platform, social media groups, deal website, or cashback websites. So if you own any of these, you can apply for their affiliate program. What affiliate tools are available? When do you earn commission? And what traffic sources and activities are not permitted? This is very important. You cannot do SEM bidding for them. Teaser networks are not allowed. Cookie stuffing not allowed. Disruptive ad formats like pop-up or pop-unders not allowed. Toolbars and browser extensions not allowed. Auto-direct sites and domain bank sites are also not allowed. So these are some of the basic requirements that you have to follow while applying to them, and this could help you in getting approval. Now, the affiliates from which country can apply to their affiliate program. As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, so long as you have all these things that we discussed and you're following it, you can apply for their affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Skyscanner, assuming you get the approval from them? I didn't find any restriction for that as well. So long as Skyscanner is available to the consumer of that country, you are free to promote them to their consumers. So how do you join the affiliate program of Skyscanner? Let me take you to the website called Impact. Now, why Impact and what does Impact has to do with Skyscanner? By the way, you'll find the link in the video description. Otherwise, you can also come to the website directly, impact.com. So Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a mediator between affiliates and brands. So if you want to be a part of the affiliate program of any brand out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, we have to join Impact as an affiliate. So how do you get an account with Impact as an affiliate? Now they call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. To get yourself a free affiliate account with Impact, you can hover over publishers. You can go to overview. Once here, you can click here, work with brands. that will take you to the sign up page. Over here, you can start with any of these options. And I understand registration can have its own nuances. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with impact. You'll find the link in the video description. Just click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate account of impact. Once you got an account with them, come to the website again, and this time you can click on sign in from here. That will take you to the sign in page, enter your credential, and it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Skyscanner, but the focus of this video is Skyscanner, so we will only talk about their affiliate program. To find their affiliate program, you can click on brands, and from there you can click on find brands. And once you do that, on the top right hand side, within name ID keyword search, you can search for Skyscanner. Just search for the name followed by click. You will see a tile for Skyscanner. And if you click here, you can get to see more details about their affiliate program. So if you look at the right side, for booking and redirect, you will get 20%. That's great. Like if you bring sales to them, you will end up getting 20% of that amount as commission. To have more details, you can click on view terms, which will take you to this page. You can read all about it. You can also scroll down, and there are general terms you can also read for better understanding and to understand what you're allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do. And let's go back here. And if you look at the left-hand side, you can see more details. They got Instagram page, Facebook page, X page, and YouTube channel as well. There's a description. And if you want to get in touch with their affiliate program team, you can click on this envelope icon, and you can also write an email to them directly from here. Then you can click on details on the right side to see more details. Where do they service? As you can see, they got more than 213 countries. So regardless you bring the sales to them from any of these countries, you would be getting commission based on the sale amount. Then how they track, they provide promo code tracking, mobile apps tracking, deep linking as well. For more program details, they're open for placements, they're open to influencers as well. And if you can scroll down below, you can see there are some external links as well that you can explore. So this is about the affiliate program. Now let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, you can click on apply. That will open up the screen. You can see on commission 20% on booking and redirect. And you can see tell Skyscanner why you want to work on this campaign. Now this is super important because whatever you write here will give an idea to the Skyscanner affiliate program team, like about your planning to promote them, and this could help you in getting the approval. So for my account, my test account, I have already returned. I'm just going to paste it here. In your case as well, you can write something good about your promotional methods or the way you plan to promote them, and simply click on apply. And when you do that, two things could happen. Either your application would go to their affiliate program team, or you will get the auto rejection. So if you get the auto rejection, don't get demotivated. Simply click on this envelope icon and write an email to the affiliate program team directly. You can tell them that for some reason you're getting auto rejected while applying for the affiliate program, and as such, they should consider your application for them. You might want to provide them more details about your promotional methods and how you intend to promote them and how you intend to bring sales to them. So this way, they could manually review your application and could give you the approval. The other thing could be your application would successfully go to them. That will be amazing. You can wait for them to review the application in that case and give you the approval accordingly. So how much time would it take to receive the approval? It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. And once you get the approval, you'll be notified via an email. So let's assume you get the approval from Skyscanner. To see the affiliate program, you can simply click on brands. You can click on my brands, which will take you to the my brands section. Now, this is a place where you would be able to see all your approved brands, not just the Skyscanner affiliate program. Once you get approval, you see them here. Next what? Next, you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link, which are associated to you. And how do you get or create tracking links? For that, you can come to the home page, click on home, which will take you to the home page. And once you're here, you can scroll down and you can look at the right hand side, create and share link. From here, you can select your approved brand. So just for the demo purpose, I'm using one of these brands, let's say AppSumo. But once you get the approval from Skyscanner, you would be able to see them listed here. Just select them, just put the landing URL. Let's say I want to create a tracking link for Skyscanner website. I'll come to this again. I'm going to mention the URL in here. I'll select Skyscanner from this drop down and I'll click on create. This will create the tracking link for me. So this is how you can create the tracking link. Now, let's say you don't want to create tracking link, but rather you want to get the available links. How do you get it? For that, you can click on content. You can go to assets. And once here on the left hand side, you can select your approved brand. So you will see Skyscanner here. Assuming you get the approval from them, you can click on their name and you will see different kind of links available. Let's say you want to get image links of Skyscanner. In that case, just click on images and you will see the image links of Skyscanner that are available for you to promote. And let's assume that this is an image link of Skyscanner. In that case, you can click on that and you can see the preview. If you want to download the PNG file, the image, you can download it. You can integrate on your website accordingly. If you want to see the code, you can click on asset code, and this is an HTML link code that you can copy and integrate at the backend of your site. It could be website or blog. If you want to get a tracking link, you can click on tracking link and you can copy this tracking link. So this is how you can find different links available for Skyscanner. You can get the code, you can integrate it accordingly. Now you have learned how to create tracking links and how to get tracking links. The next question arises, where can you promote Skyscanner? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Now, doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you get the approval for that website, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Just see which of the web page of your website is more suited for your audience and just put the advertisement of Skyscanner on that section of your website. Second is blog. Now, blog could be amazing because you could write blog posts about Skyscanner or maybe something Skyscanner is offering and just put your tracking link somewhere with the blog post. This could interest the readers, and when they click on the link, if they buy something through Skyscanner, you will get the commission. Third way is social media. Now, let's say you don't have a website, or doesn't matter, you might have a website, but you basically have a social media account for which you got the approval from Skyscanner. That's good. You can simply promote them on your social media account through many ways. You could create videos, reels, posts, totally up to you. You can just create those content, and in the comment, you can share your tracking links. Fourth way is travel and tourism website. If you have such kind of website, then it's great because people usually come to these websites to learn about different travel resources. So maybe you can integrate Skyscanner or some of the widgets on your website, create a standalone section. So this way when people would come to your website, they explore that specific section. And if they see some searches available and if they click on it, they buy that through Skyscanner, you'll end up getting commission. So these are some of the ways you could promote them. Let's say you started promoting them, you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? So for that, you can come to your affiliate dashboard once again. Once here, you can come to the homepage of the affiliate account and you can see the snapshot here. You can update your date range. You can see clicks, actions, payouts, sale amount, conversion rate, and EPC. And if you want to see detailed report, you can simply click on reports. You can click on overview, which will take you to the overview report. You can update the date range here and you can scroll down to see multiple things, like you can see clicks, actions, then there are action earnings and all different metrics you could see to get the idea of how well you're performing. And to see the commission for your performance, you can look at the top right hand side. This is my test leisure account, and you can see some commission in here. And if you click on this drop down, if you click on pending, you will see your commission which are yet to be approved by brand. If you click on invoices, you will see the invoices which have been sent to the brand for the approval. And if you click on balance, these would be the commission that have been approved and is there in your account for you to receive. Now, to get your accumulated commission, you can come to the bottom left hand side. You can click on these three dots, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can scroll down and you can come to the finance section. You can click on bank account. You can update your banking details along with the payment threshold value. So this way, whenever the accumulated commission would exceed that payment threshold value, you can expect to receive the commission from Impact via electronic fund transfer. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Skyscanner. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Skyscanner. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.